Welcome back to my LS Luxury Autos. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling masterpiece that redefines what it means to travel in luxury. Imagine taking the raw power and reliability of a Kenworth semi-truck and transforming it into a moving 5-star resort. That's exactly what this incredible build achieves. The moment you see it, you know it's something extraordinary. Its sleek aerodynamic shape, striking paintwork, and commanding stance make it impossible to ignore. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement of innovation, craftsmanship, and pure indulgence. Under the hood, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is powered by a massive 15-liter diesel engine that delivers over 600 horsepower, ensuring this luxurious giant moves effortlessly on highways or mountain roads. The drive is smooth, powerful, and surprisingly quiet thanks to advanced soundproofing and suspension systems designed to make even the longest trips comfortable. From the outside, it looks like a high-end custom truck, but once the automatic steps unfold and the doors open, you step into a completely different world. Inside, the transformation is nothing short of jaw-dropping. The interior feels more like a high-end penthouse than a motorhome. Rich leather upholstery, custom wood cabinetry, and modern lighting give it an elegant, sophisticated atmosphere. Every detail has been carefully planned to maximize comfort and style. The living area opens up to reveal plush seating, a reclining sofa, and an entertainment system that rivals a luxury cinema. At the press of a button, a massive 85-inch 4K OLED TV rises from a hidden cabinet, paired with an immersive surround sound setup that brings movies and music to life. Whether you're parked at a campsite or cruising down the highway, you can enjoy your favorite films in full cinematic quality. Moving toward the kitchen area, you'll find a space that would make any chef proud. The kitchen features top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, including a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a dishwasher. The countertops are made from premium stone materials, offering both beauty and durability. There's plenty of storage for ingredients, utensils, and dinnerware, all neatly integrated into the cabinetry. Soft lighting and a cozy dining nook make it the perfect spot to enjoy a meal on the go. With smart controls that manage lighting, temperature, and appliances, it's as modern and functional as any home kitchen. Beyond the kitchen lies the master bedroom, which feels like a private retreat. The queen-sized bed comes with a luxurious memory foam mattress, surrounded by warm ambient lighting and elegant finishes. Overhead, a panoramic skylight lets you fall asleep under the stars, while blackout shades can turn the room dark and quiet for complete rest. The built-in storage solutions make excellent use of space, and the entertainment system lets you relax with your favorite shows before drifting off to sleep. It's a level of comfort that's almost unbelievable in a motorhome. And then comes one of the most surprising features, the bathroom and spa area. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome includes a full bathroom with a rainfall shower, premium fixtures, and marble-style finishes that make it feel like a luxury hotel. But the real showstopper is the jacuzzi tub. Yes, you heard that right, a jacuzzi inside a motorhome. After a long day of driving or exploring, you can relax in a bubbling tub while enjoying beautiful views from the large side window. It's the kind of comfort you'd never expect to find in a vehicle, yet here it's executed flawlessly. At the rear of the motorhome, an automatic deck extension unfolds to create an outdoor patio area. This space is perfect for lounging, barbecuing, or simply taking in the scenery. Solar panels on the roof help power the systems inside, and a lithium battery pack ensures you can live off-grid without sacrificing luxury. The entire system is designed for efficiency and independence, allowing travelers to experience freedom without compromise. The driver's cabin is equally advanced. The digital dashboard is loaded with smart technology, including navigation, adaptive cruise control, and a full 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering easy. The seats are fully adjustable and heated, ensuring long drives are as relaxing as they are enjoyable. Despite its massive size, the T2000 Motorhome handles smoothly and feels surprisingly agile on the road. What truly sets the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome apart is the balance between power and luxury. It's not just a mobile home, it's an experience, a lifestyle choice for those who want to see the world without leaving comfort behind. It represents the future of travel, where technology, design, and comfort come together seamlessly. Whether you're traveling cross-country, parking by the ocean, or setting up camp in the mountains, this vehicle ensures you do it in absolute style. It's easy to see why this build has captured so much attention. It's not often that a truck known for its toughness gets reimagined into something so elegant. Every inch of the T2000 Motorhome speaks of craftsmanship and creativity. From the cinema-like entertainment area to the fully equipped kitchen, from the cozy bedroom to the relaxing jacuzzi, it's a dream come true for anyone who loves the open road but refuses to compromise on comfort. So, what do you think of the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome? Could you picture yourself living or traveling in something this incredible? Let us know your thoughts down below in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing builds and unbelievable vehicles like this one, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.